Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to program a garage door remote for a LiftMaster. An interesting point is the LiftMaster uses one remote from 1993 to present for most of the LiftMasters. The same remote you use to do the LiftMaster can also work on most Chamberlain garage doors, the Craftsman garage doors. So just follow me as I do this and program. This is actually my garage remote. Just moved into a new place. This is my garage remote. I have to fix this garage door up. It's got a lot of problems, and we'll go through programming the various points and everything. But today is the LiftMaster garage door remote, how to program it to this. One important point that everybody forgets is when you're programming a new remote, you don't know how many remotes are programmed in this. You don't know who has access. You don't know how any keypads. So what you have to do when you get into a new place or you're going to program something, it's right off the bat, let's erase everything that's in there. So we want to be safe and nice secure. So the way to do it, here's the learning button. Hold it for 6 seconds. The light is on. We've just wiped. Now it did. Light went out. It takes about 6 seconds. Now this garage door opener, everything's being wiped out. Nothing will work this now. Program the garage door remote. What I have to do is I have to put the fob into programming mode. So I just pin whatever, push on the side. Once the red light is on, it's in programming mode. Press the learn button, hold it till the light comes on. Light is on. Then I have to press, I want to use this button, so I'm going to press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It's programmed, and I want to hit any button. Now this remote is matched to the garage door opener. Just to test it. Works perfect. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.